Hello guys. So today I'm going to be explaining you the contents of the posterior triangle. The posterior triangle is divided into two triangles by the inferior belly of femohyoid muscle, where we have the occipital triangle superiorly and the subclavian triangle inferiorly. Coming to the contents of the occipital triangle, I'll be telling you in an order. Coming to the nerves, we have the spinal accessory nerve, we have four cutaneous nerves. We have the lesser occipital nerve, greater auricular nerve and transversocervical nerve, and the supraclavicular nerve. We also have the dorsal scapular nerve. Coming to the vessels, we have the occipital artery and the transverse cervical artery and the transverse cervical vein. Coming to the lymph nodes, we have the occipital group of lymph nodes. In the subclavian triangle, below the inferior belly of femohyoid muscle, coming to the nerves, we have all the three trunks of the brachial plexus, the upper trunk, the middle trunk and the lower trunk. We also have the suprascapular nerve and the nerve to subclavius, which is not shown in the figure. Coming to the vessels, we have the transverse cervical vein draining into the external jugular vein and the terminal part of the external jugular vein draining into the subclavian vein. We also have the third part of the subclavian artery and the suprascapular artery. Coming to the lymph nodes, we have the supraclavicular group of lymph nodes. So these are the contents of the posterior triangle. Thank you.